Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, My IT Lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Let me zoom this for the proper view. Here is the title of assignment. Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data. Select the summary sheet, sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order, and further sort it by hash bed, the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. Basically, in this question, you will have to sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order and then further sort the data by bedroom from smallest to largest. Now move to the file. Then go to the home tab. Then you will go to the editing group. Click on sort and filter. Then click on custom sort. The first part is sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order. Apartment complex. First you will have to select the apartment complex, alphabetical order A to Z, and then further sort by number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. Click on this button add level to add the second sort. Select the bedroom, number of bedrooms from smallest to largest, then press OK button. As you can see that our data are sorted based on these two sorts. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, you want to use the subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms for each apartment complex. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by the apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Add the second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by number of bedrooms to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. Basically, in this question, you will have to use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment complex and then use the number of bedrooms to calculate the average. Go to the file, use the subtotal feature. First you will go to the data tab, then go to the outline group and click on subtotal. First you will have to select the row by apartment complex, row by apartment complex. First you will have to click on this drop down to select this apartment complex to calculate the average of total deposit, and the second part is select the average, and then the next is average of the total deposit. As you can see that here is a total deposit, select this one, then press OK. And next part of this question is add the second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by the number of bedroom to calculate the average by total deposit. Again you will go to the data tab, go to the outline group, click on subtotal, then you will have to select the number of bedrooms, select number of bedrooms, select number of bedrooms to calculate the average total deposit, and the second part is select average and then select the total rows, uncheck this, check this total deposit, then press OK. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is use the outline symbols to display only the two levels of subtotals rows along with the grand average. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above total deposit. Go to the file and go to the data tab and go to the group. Click on auto outline. Auto outline. Click on this. And collapse the outline above the total deposit. Collapse the total deposit. Click on this to collapse this. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is you want to create a pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for occupied departments. Display the rental sheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rentals sheet. Change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. Name the pivot table to rental revenue. Basically in this question you will have to create a pivot table using the rental sheet. First part of this question is display the rental sheet. Go to the file and click on rentals button to display this sheet, and then create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rental sheet. Select the sheet, then you will go to the insert tab, then go to the tables group, click on pivot tables in this range, and then press OK. And the next part is change the name of worksheet to rental revenue. Copy this name and then rename the sheet. Right click on this, click on rename to rename this sheet total rental revenue, then press enter and name the pivot table to rental revenue. Now you will have to change the name of pivot table to rental revenue, and you will go to the pivot table analyze, then go to the pivot table group. In this field you will have to change the name rental revenue, then press enter. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is display the apartment complex and the number of bedroom fields in rows and the rental price field as values. Basically in this question you will have to display the apartment complex and number of bedroom fields in rows, and the rental price field show in the values. Apartment complex and bedroom. Go to the file, pivot table field, apartment complex. Simply you will have to click on this and drag this field to the rows. In the rows, and the next one is the number of beds. Click on this beds, drag this field into the rows, and the rental price field as values. Simply you will have to select the rental price, drag this field and drop into the values field. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is format the sum of rental price as accounting number format with 0 decimal places and enter the custom name total rent collected. Basically in this question you will have to change the accounting number format and 0 decimal places to the column, sorry, to the values of the rental price. Go to the file, the rental price, this is the rental price. Right click on this, then go to the value field setting, click on this value field setting, then click on number format, accounting number format, select accounting number format with 0 decimal places, select 0 with 0 decimal places and press OK, and then change the and enter the custom name to total rent collected. Copy this custom name total rent collected, and in this field custom name we'll have to paste this total rent collected, then press OK button. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display the data for occupied apartments. Basically in this question you will have to select the occupied field and then drop into the filter section. First you will have to select occupied field, this one occupied field, drag this field and drop into the select this and drop into the filter field and set the filter to yes to display the data for occupied apartments. Move to the file, select this filter, then check this box, select multiple items, then you will have to uncheck the no and check this only yes, then press OK button. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is You want to calculate the total monthly rental revenue if the rates increases by 5% for the occupied apartments. Insert a calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05, change the name to new rental revenue, apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Basically in this question you will have to insert a calculated field and then this calculated field multiply with the rental price by 1.05 and go to the file. As you can see that in the calculation groups, click on fields item and set, click on this and select this calculated field. Insert a calculated field and multiply the rental price by 1.05, multiply with 1.05 rental price. In the formula section you will have to select the rental price, insert this field rental price, then multiply with 1.05, then click on add button to add this, add this field, then press OK. As you can see that the new calculated field are now inserted at the end of this pivot table. And then the next part is change the name to new rental revenue. Then you will have to change the name of this field to new rental revenue. Copy this name, new rental revenue, then go to the workbook, new rental, click on this field, click on field setting button. In the custom name you will have to add this new rentals revenue, this name, then press OK. As you can see that the new name are now modified, new rental revenue are displayed. And then the next part is apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Now you will have to apply the accounting number format, select this field, then again click on field setting button, then click on number format, accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. You will have to select 0 decimal places, then press OK. Question number 9 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is select the range B3 to C3 and apply these formats. Wrap the text, align right horizontal alignment, 29 row height and 15 column width. First you will have to select the range B3 to C3. Select this range in this dialog box. To select this range, and then wrap the text. You will go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, then click on this button wrap text and align a right horizontal alignment. Click on this right horizontal alignment, and the row height is 29 and column width is 15. Row height. Alright, click on this. Now you will have to set the row height. Right click on this and then click on row height. Row height is 29 and the column width is 15. Row height is row height is 29 and the column width is 15. Right click on this, then click on column width. Change column width to 15. Select this column and the column width to 15 and press OK. Question number 10 are completed. There are total 20 questions of this assignment. We have now completed 10 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Stats, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.